Hello, welcome to another Facts Dimension Spotlight Dataset. This one's to do with Civil Justice Statistics Quarterly. There's 5 tables. Case progression. Let's have a look in there. So you can see the sort of categories, subcategories, stages, etc. Judicial review. Have a look in there. That gives you an idea. If I just scroll over, you can have a look. And you've got Sankey. That's this sort of data here, as you can see. Timeliness. The courts and things about how long they take, I think, about the cases. Workload. You get an idea looking at those categories and subcategories. Sort of data in there. The total data set goes back to 1999, and there's 1.5 million rows so far. So if you want to have a play with that data, follow the link in the description, and you can see that and thousands of other data sets as well, free for 30 days.